What's up everybody? Today we are here with the first unboxing video of our channel. Just got my hands on the new GoPro Hero 9 Black, which I received a few weeks back. Still it's in the box. I haven't had a look at it as I was waiting to unbox it with you. So let's jump right in. First thing you notice is the packaging is quite a bit different than the previous model. They have got rid of the plastic for good and came up with reusable camera case instead. The whole package feels appealing to me than the earlier models. So thumbs up for that GoPro. I bought this directly through the official GoPro website, and at that time I was buying the GoPro bundle was on discount for 529 Australian dollars, including 1-year GoPro subscription, floating handle grip, magnetic swivel clip, extra battery, 32GB SD card and a solid camera case. If you're buying that same bundle now, it shows as $629, so $100 more, but still you have the $529 option, but you are no longer getting the swivel clip and the floating handle for that price. For your budget and your needs, you can decide which options to go for. Let's get in to see what's inside. Let's open this case. So on top you can find all the documents, warranty documents, how to use guides and everything. So then you have the GoPro subscription QR code scan, then some stickers, and finally you have the 32GB SD card came with the bundle. Next we have 2 batteries. So in this package it came with additional battery, so 2 of them. Then the magnetic swivel clip. Then we have the USB Type-C cable to charge the GoPro and transfer data to PC. So you have several types additional mounts and the screws to tighten it up. There's another mount which comes with a sticky pad and it's a bit curved, so you can mount it on a curved surface like a helmet. Then you have this nice floating grip, so you can attach the GoPro in here and use it, and this one will be floating on water. So here it comes, the GoPro 9 covered with paper. Oh, I love these sounds when removing these stickers. So when compared to Hero 8 Black, Hero 9 comes with a 5K video recording for the first time in a GoPro. It has a new front display and it's very useful for vloggers and for selfie stuff. Hero 8 had a 12 megapixel sensor and this one got 20 megapixel sensor. So if you are a person the megapixel matters, go for Hero 9. In Hero 9 we got Hyper Smooth 2.0, and when it comes to power it got 30% more battery power than Hero 8. It's nice to see that they have got the detachable lens this time, so you can rotate it and remove the lens. That was a main complaint they had with Hero 8 because it has built-in lens. So thumbs up again GoPro for listening to customers. It took some time to set it up and update the firmware. So now we have connected to the iPad. Like in GoPro Hero 8 you can see the live view on the tab or on your phone. So here it is, all good to go. Back screen quite a bit larger than the predecessor. Top of the screen you can see the memory card details, the battery percentage left and some shortcuts around. It all looks same as the GoPro Hero 8. This is not a review video, so I will not go through all the functions and things you can do with it, but we'll show you some highlights you may be interested in. First one is the horizon lock. So as it means in the word, it keeps the horizon standing in level, either you change the angle or not. To enable it, go to lenses and select horizon leveling, linear horizon leveling. So this works only in linear plus horizon leveling mode, not in any other modes. To enable it, go to lenses, then select the 4th option, linear plus horizon leveling. This is not something that you will use every time you shoot, but it's a cool trick that new GoPro has. To access any settings, just swipe down, then swipe left, then preferences, so you can find all the settings and functions in there. Then you can customize how the front screen behaves by swiping down and tapping on the selfie-like icon. Swipe down, tap on this icon, and there are a few different modes you can interact with. In default, it's in crop mode to fit into the front screen in this mode. So it's you can see the image in full screen. And if you don't want to use the front screen, you can just switch it off as well, so you can't see anything. Unlike most of the cameras these days, you can hook this up to a PC and use it as a webcam for live streaming or meetings. And when talking about live streaming functionality, previously you could only live stream in YouTube or Facebook, but now GoPro has added bunch of other options including their own platform. Then there's another cool feature called hindsight or hindsight mode, which keeps recording a loop of 30 seconds or 15 seconds, whichever you select, and when press record, it records with 30 or 15 before footage. This comes handy in a situation where you don't know when action is happening to click the record button. Another cool feature is duration capture. If you want to set the camera and leave it to record for a predetermined time, this option is for that. To access this mode, just go to any profile, tap settings, just go to duration. So you can select how long your camera records before automatically stopping. So you can go up to maximum 3 hours. Just select your duration, tap record, keep the camera wherever you want to record, and it will record until the time you set. So my final conclusion, I'm pretty impressed with the options, but my opinion is if you want a GoPro Hero 8 Black, stick with it for more until the Hero 10 comes. But if you are below than that using Hero 7, 6 or previous models, I think you can benefit more from upgrading to Hero 9. Let's comment down below of what you think about GoPro Hero 9 Black, and let me know if you are interested in seeing a detailed review with footage to decide to buy the GoPro 9 or not. There will be more unboxing videos to come. To avoid missing those videos, please click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. That's it for today, guys. We are again in lockdown in Australia. Stay safe if you are in a place in this world where COVID exists. See you in the next video. Peace.